Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Tools for the Guitarist. I know a lot of people are learning song by song on the internet and they still have to start from scratch to learn the next song and so on. The same with solos. I'm convinced by my 37 years of playing sessions live and in the studio that you need some basic theory to help you become a great player. It's all about understanding chords, the scales and where they come from, and the intervals they are built with. I'm here to help you, moving you faster to get where you want to be. That's why I'm giving away a free video course where we dive into the major scale and discover the connection between the notes and the chords that build every song you love. You'll learn how the major scale is the key to unlocking songs. I'll break it down into easy steps so you get insights and start using them in your own playing right away. Plus, you'll get a PDF with diagrams and chord shapes to follow along. It's all designed to be beginner friendly and super practical. So click down below, join the course, and let's make guitar theory simple, useful and fun.